fussing, no more stressing. I've got a seed in the ground. Now I'm knowing I can show it my seed for grace, for favor. The only works when we all do it. This is my season to do what? To reap what I have sown. Come on, you say, this is my season for grace. For what else? For favor. This is my season to reap what I have sown. Everything is working together for my good. Say, church, everything is working. Don't feel good together, but it's working for my good. Say it again, y'all. Everything is working together for my good. Sing it again. Everything is working together for my good. I want you to say this to me real simple. Say, it's good, it's good, it's good. Say, it's working for my good. It's good. Say it's good. Say it's good. Say it's working. It's good. It's good, y'all. Say it's good. It's working for my good. It's good. Say it's working for my good. This is my season for grace, for I need somebody to prophesy with your body language. Just say, what you say? God is leading in my direction.
Let's go, Kalina.
Don't prophesy. I said he's leading. In whose direction? In my direction. I don't you ain't no need to say it. You gotta say it. Say it. He's leading in my direction. Cause this is my season for grace, for favor. This is my season. Come on, y'all. To be what I have sown. Will you raise your hand and say, I've got a seed in the ground. Come on, open your mouth and say, I've got a seed in the ground. And I don't care what your circumstance says, it's already getting better.